y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosalynn Monique, and today I will be showing you how to make a fully loaded bacon cheeseburger. And I want to give a huge shout out to Stovetop Kisses for this recipe, and I'll be sure to link this recipe from her channel in the description box below. Okay y'all, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to be using the right brand Applewood smoked bacon to make our bacon patties for these burgers. And don't worry, I'll be giving y'all a detailed tutorial on how to make these bacon patties in the next clip. Alright, so we have 3 strips of bacon here, and all we're going to do is cut them in half evenly. Okay. And then we're going to take the 3 slices here. Make sure they're close together. We're going to take the middle piece, flip it over, take our bacon here, put it at the end, flip this middle piece back over so it can overlap. Then we're going to take our the top and bottom piece, flip those over, and we're going to take our bacon, make sure it's close, and then we're going to flip these over like this. I'll take this middle piece again, flip it over, take this last strip, just like that, and you have your bacon patty.
Cause I know I ain't wait this long for her to do no bacon for Daddy together. That ain't funny. I could have been to cook my husband a meal.
Mom!
Mom, nothing. While you over there playing with bacon, that man gonna be hungry. You know, work ain't come to eat no bacon.
Do you want turkey patty or not?
I don't want just no bacon to eat. And where your mask at?
Mom, you don't... Okay, so I'm going to do the same with the turkey bacon because I have people in the house that don't eat pork. So what we're going to do is cut it in half. Then we're going to line them up. This is...
I hope that food be ready in 10 minutes.
Mom, it's not. Unless you want uncooked food. You want your burger medium rare?
I'm eating cereal. Anybody going home?
But you can't even see it.
Bacon?
You can
No.
bring it up.
You don't see nothing you doing over there.
Bring it up.
You're not supposed to start over.
Do I need to go ahead and take out these red beans?
No, Mom.
We can eat red beans.
I'm cooking.
No, because my red beans already done.
He don't want reheated food after he had a long day at work.
You playing with bacon, he don't want bacon either. He don't want no breakfast while he's playing for work.
Mom, people have breakfast for dinner.
Not people that have worked hard.
So as you just heard, this is what it's like to do cooking videos in my house. And believe it or not, it doesn't stop there.
I ain't ate it until like I don't know how long.
I'm finna make burgers.
Pancakes it.
Looks like I'll be doing voiceovers from here on out. Okay, so you want to take 1 onion. This is a pretty big onion. So as you can see, I cut up my onions here. Now what we're going to do is mix our seasonings together in a bowl. So I have beef bouillon powder. I don't know if you can see that.
Why did somebody post this? Was this
Ma. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Did I say?
Take it off right now.
Ma, you messing me up. I'm telling the people what they gotta.
Well, take it
You
off.
should
No,
say.
we ain't talking about no fish right. Take it
You
off.
shouldn't say stuff like that.
Take
Okay,
it
y'all.
off.
Listen.
So you delete.
She's childish.
Delete it.
Ma!
Stop,
Stop, because I gotta say something.
delete it. You had to delete all of
What's
it.
that lady that
Okay, before I was rudely interrupted, what you need is 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just gonna mix all this together in a bowl. Okay, y'all, so in my cast iron skillet, I am going to place some oil in here. And I'm going to put it on high heat. So to our skillet, we are going to add our onions. Because our onions are on high heat, you want to make sure you're watching them. Don't leave the oven. Don't take your eye off of them. You just want to continue to stir them. Now I'm just going to take my seasoning and just sprinkle it over our onions. Now this is the same seasoning we're going to use on our burgers. Now we're going to put the heat on medium. And we're going to add a little bit of water. So as you can see, they're nice and caramelized. Now we're just going to let them cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so you want to take your preference of meat. Mine is ground beef chuck, and I'm just going to put it in a bowl.
I'm going to go ahead and get my patties formed. So I'm just going to take about this much meat, and I'm going to put it into a ball. And I'm also going to do turkey burgers, and we're going to use those turkey bacon patties to go with these. We are going to use the same pan to fry our burgers in. So the pan that we had all the onions and all the goodness in the bottom of the skillet, we're going to keep that. We're just going to add a little bit more oil. So I have my skillet on high heat, and I'm just going to take some of this seasoning that we had earlier, and we're just going to sprinkle it into the bottom of the pan. We're just going to take our patties here and put it, just sit it there for 30 to 40 seconds. Now we're going to smash it once. And put it on medium heat. We're going to take some more of our seasoning and season this side. If you want your burger to be well done, you want to cook it 6 to 7 minutes on each side. If you want it medium well, just cook it a little less time than that. But we like our burgers well done, so we're just going to cook it 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Now we're going to flip our patties.
Okay, y'all, adding cheese is optional, but this is my sliced cheese preference.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is transfer my patty from one skillet to this one. Now, I know a lot of people probably don't do this. And I'm just going to place the lid on top. This doesn't go on this pan, but I just wanted the cheese to melt. And you can also add some water just to kind of get it melting faster.
Okay, as you can see, I'm using beefsteak tomatoes, and I just sliced them up to go on our burgers.
Okay, so at this point, you just dress your burger however you like it.
Ricky, you better have your mask on.
I will be so glad when COVID-19 is over so my mama can stop screaming in the house about these masks.
I don't know how I forgot our bacon patty, but that's going to go there. Oh, that's the bottom of the bar.
Eat like that. Unless you don't eat like that. That's too big. Who gonna be able to eat that?
I gotta redo it.
Why that look so unhealthy?
Okay, now y'all saw me put onions on that first burger, so that's my dad's because y'all know I do not eat onions. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post another video. And let me know what you want to see next. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.